Deleting images from the Constant Contact library is a straightforward process. Today, I'll walk you through it. Visit the Constant Contact website and log in to your account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Library section, usually found in the top menu or sidebar navigation. In the library, locate the images you want to delete by browsing folders or using the search bar. Select the checkboxes next to the images you wish to delete. You can choose multiple images if necessary. After selecting, look for the Delete or Trash option, typically located at the top or bottom of the library interface. Confirm the deletion when prompted. Constant Contact may ask for confirmation to delete the selected images permanently. Once confirmed, the selected images will be removed from your Constant Contact library. Review the library to ensure successful removal of the images. Some platforms may require a separate step to empty the trash or permanently delete the images. If applicable, make sure to empty the trash to free up storage space.